Examples of ionic compound formulas: calcium chloride, potassium bromide, barium chloride. Formula units do not show actual numbers of ions in a crystal, just their ratio.
Covalent compounds' molecular formulas. Covalent compounds exist as discrete molecules. Atoms are bonded through shared electrons, represented by a molecular formula. Example: water molecule. Chemical formula of water represents two hydrogen atoms bonded to one oxygen atom in one molecule of water.
Other covalent compounds: hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen sulfide, phosphine, hydrogen peroxide, sulfuric acid, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, ethene. How would you differentiate between the chemical formula of an element and a chemical compound? What information does each formula type give? Is it monatomic, molecular, or a formula unit? What is an empirical formula? An empirical formula shows the simplest whole number ratio of atoms in a compound. It does not necessarily show the actual number of atoms in a molecule, just the ratio. Empirical formulas of ionic compounds. All ionic compounds are represented by their empirical formulas. These formulas reflect the simplest ratio between the ions in a crystal structure. Example: in calcium fluoride, one calcium ion and two fluoride ions has ratio equals 1 to 2. Empirical formulas of covalent compounds. Covalent compounds may have different empirical and molecular formulas. Molecular formula shows the actual number of atoms in a molecule. Empirical formula simplifies this ratio. Example is hydrogen peroxide. Its molecular formula is H₂O₂ and empirical formula is H₄O. Shows the ratio of hydrogen to oxygen is 1 to 1. In this table, empirical and molecular formula of glucose, ethene benzene is shown. Summary: empirical formula equals simplest atom ratio. used for both ionic and covalent compounds, especially useful when molecular formula is unknown or unnecessary. Hydrogen peroxide example. Molecular formula of hydrogen peroxide is H₂O₂. Empirical formula is H₆O. Shows a 1:1 ratio of hydrogen to oxygen atoms. Benzene. Example, molecular formula is C₆H₆. Empirical formula is CH ratio of carbon to hydrogen equals 1:1. Molecular formula is a multiple of the empirical formula